This is a Lamps 13 ACX air conditioning system we put in. We have the cover off in the back. We're here doing a service call. It's been in the field for about 2 years. See the capacitor, control relays, wiring. There's low pressure safety switches and such built into the system. High pressure switches for added safety for the customer. See the blue piece down there. It's a filter dryer that we add in. It's an extra, but we include it on our installations. It cleans the refrigerants inside the system as it circulates around and gives a much longer life expectancy to the equipment. Just the proper way to do it. See the system, you can see the fan blade turning, it's running full out. And this is a 2-ton system.